Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I talked about the 109,500 level and the candle that pressed into this zone, suggesting potential weakness. Today, the chart brings some positive signals. On the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see the descending trend line that started around 117,000 roughly 1 week ago. Price has tested this line multiple times. On September 22nd, after moving sideways between 115,400 and 111,800, the line rejected price again. On September 25th, another test near 113,500 resulted in another rejection, sending us down to 109,500, where price has been consolidating for 2 days. Here is the interesting part. A divergence has formed on the wave trend oscillator. The MACD is close to crossing upward, and the RSI is recovering from oversold levels back toward 30. The descending yellow line extends directly into September 30th, leading into the 1st of October. This timing lines up with the idea that October could bring renewed strength. My current thesis suggests we will not close September below 108,300. Why? Every green September in 2015, 2016, 2023, and 2024 was followed by a strong final quarter. If we imagine a close around 109,000 this month and apply the average fourth quarter growth from those years, the numbers project as follows. October could move to around 132,860, November to 194,000, and December to about 203,200. This points to a potential top in December, aligning with other models and calculations. Another chart worth mentioning is the so-called Bitcoin crab crawl path. It tracks price from December 2022 to 2029. As of now, Bitcoin is near 109,000, touching the -1 sigma line, a normal dip seen 6 times before in this steady low volatility phase. The model suggests 200,000 could be reached by December 9th, 2025 or March 17, 2026, with the trend average arriving by June 22, 2026. A parabolic move to 250,000 could appear between next month and the first quarter of 2026. This aligns with the Bitcoin power law theory, which points to a predictable long-term growth path. There is also a historical comparison with 2017, where the same bar pattern is overlaid on current price action. It projects 170,000 before moving toward 250,000 into 2026. History does not repeat, but it often rhymes. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with the notification bell turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.